Alright, so we're gonna add our ranch. Sprinkle a little parsley on top. A little bit more ranch. What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this delicious, juicy, loaded bacon, chicken, and egg breakfast quesadilla. Let's go. So here are my lovely ingredients, guys. So I have some tortilla, flour tortilla. I won't be using all 6. I'm just going to be using 2 tortilla shells. We have 2 cups of shredded Mexican cheese right here. We have some olive oil, 2 eggs, 4 slices of thick cut bacon. We have some all-purpose seasoning over here. I'll be using probably about 2 teaspoons out of this. I'll leave all the correct measurement in the description of the video, guys. Here I have 1 chicken breast. It's already diced up. We have some parsley. That's going to be for the garnish. We have 2 cloves of garlic. We have 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme leaves, and we have some ranch dressing right here, guys. So we're just going to start off by seasoning our chicken, and then we'll move on to the next step. Let's go. All right, guys. So we're going to season up our chicken breast. This is 1 teaspoon right here. We're going to add our teaspoon of thyme leaf, 2 cloves of fresh garlic. Mix it up. And that is it. We're just gonna let this marinate for about 10 minutes, and we're gonna start working on our bacon. Let's go. All right, guys, so we're gonna add some olive oil, just a drizzle, about a tablespoon. All right. Make sure your pan is nice and hot. We're gonna add our bacon. And we're gonna fry the bacon, guys, until it's nice and crispy. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and flip our bacon. Look at that, guys. Perfectly seared, nice crisp, nice crust. Like I said, you want to make sure it's nice and crispy. And we're just going to cook this for a few more minutes until it's perfectly done. All right, guys, so we're just going to remove our bacon from the pot. Place it on a paper towel just to soak up some of that oil. And once it cools down, we're going to mince it up into some nice crumbles. All right, so now we're gonna add our chicken to the same oil. And this, we're gonna stir it up for about 6 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes on about medium-high heat until it's nicely cooked, fully cooked right through. Smelling so good, guys. And this is a quick and easy, recipe to make at home, whether you're having it for dinner, lunch, or breakfast. All right, so we're just gonna let the heat and the pan do the work. All right, guys, so we're just gonna remove the chicken from the pan and let it cool down a little bit. And once it's fully, cooled down, we're gonna mince it up into some smaller pieces. All right, so I'm gonna clean this up and then start making my scrambled eggs. Combine all the lovely ingredients together, and then we're gonna make the quesadilla. Stay tuned. All right, we are we're good to go. All right, so we're just gonna whisk our 2 eggs real quick. Add a little drizzle of olive oil to the pan. And then we're gonna scramble this lovely bad boy right here. Mix it up, whisk it up. We're not gonna add any seasoning because our chicken is already seasoned, the bacon is already salty. So it's gonna be the combined combination, you know, perfect combination, guys. So drizzle. And that is it. All right, so we're just gonna remove this from our pot. We're not gonna make it too dry. Keep it nice and wet, baby. So we're gonna combine the eggs with the chicken. And then we're also gonna add our bacon. Mix it up a little. And then we're gonna get our pan nice and hot again. This one, we're gonna get this one hot and add our tortilla shells once it's nice and hot with a little bit of cheese, and then we're gonna add our filling. All right, so add drizzle of olive oil. Spread it out a little bit. And then we're gonna add our tortilla. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna add about a cup. Now remember, this is 2 cups. So we're gonna add about a cup of cheese. Just like that. And earlier I combined the bacon with the scrambled egg and the diced chicken, right? The reason why I combined the 3 is because I want everything to be basically even, you know? More like evenly distributed, you know, instead of like a little piece of bacon here, a little piece of egg right there, and a little piece of chicken. I want everything to be balanced. So we're gonna add all that. And now we're gonna add our ranch dressing. Shake it up a little. Just a little drizzle. And if you want it to be messy, you could add more, you know, but we're just gonna keep it nice and light. All right, so now I'm gonna check to see if it's crispy on the outside. Not yet. I want it to be way more crispier than that. And right now the stove is turned to a medium heat, guys. So we're just gonna do this until it's like nice and crispy. So you just have to keep checking. You don't want it to burn. So we're looking for a nice dark brown color like this right here. All right, and then we'll flip it. All right, so time to give it a nice flip, guys. Woo! Nice and hot. And then you just want to press it down, make sure it's sealed. And we're just gonna leave this for about 30 seconds on that side, flip it over for 30 more seconds, and then we'll remove it from the heat, slice into it, and the rest is Gucci. Keep watching. So this is the last one, second one. All right, guys, so now we have the finished product right here. We're gonna cut our tortillas or quesadilla in 4s, all right? So we're gonna just make it easier. Stock it on top, just like this. Cut it in half first. Look at that, guys. That's our loaded chicken, bacon, and egg quesadilla. All right, so we're gonna add our ranch. Wow, look at that, guys. Sprinkle a little parsley on top. A little bit more ranch. And that's it. Ooh. All right, now guys, let's take a bite. Wow. Wow. This is so good. It's not overly cheesy. It's more on the meaty side, you know, like with a lot of filling and stuff. So you have your chicken, your bacon, you know, the eggs, a little bit of cheese, which is like the perfect combination, guys, perfect balance. Oh my God, this is a must try recipe, guys. You gotta try it out. And once you try it out, let me know in the comment section how it turned out. Or let me know if you would try this recipe in the comment section, guys. So good. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Until next time, peace, one love, big up on yourself.